Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're back with a sushi mukbang and I am so excited. I am so hungry. Before I tell you what I have and before I start this video, next week actually I'm going to see my best friend and we're gonna do a canes mukbang, and I know a lot of you guys have been wanting canes and I have never tried canes, so I'm so excited. But anyway, drop us questions below. Anything, just ask us anything. Yeah, I'm really excited to see her. This is a strawberry flavored milk drink. Oh, it's gonna be really good. Okay, so I'm gonna read off what I have right before I start eating. Okay, so this right here, the one with avocado on top, is the crazy roll. It has spicy tuna, crab meat, avocado on top. And this roll right here, this one is wrapped in cucumber, and it is tuna, salmon, avocado wrapped with cucumber. And then right here we have the super salmon roll, California roll topped with salmon. I got no fish eggs on all of these, by the way. It was so hard to pick rolls. I don't even usually get salmon, but I'll get to that in a sec. And then the last roll I got is the dragon roll, and it's tempura shrimp, crab meat inside with eel on top, avocado on top, and yes, and I have a side of spicy mayo. I don't know where to put it. I'll put it right there in the back, and then I have a side of eel sauce. Eel sauce is so good, and I love the spicy mayo. Okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. And then I have an extra side of ginger right here. I'm obsessed with ginger. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start with this roll because I love, my favorite thing to get at sushi is I really love crab everything. I love shrimp, eel, and tuna. Those are all my favorite meats. I don't usually get salmon, but I have salmon in 2 of them today. Just, I don't know, I was on a weird grind. And everyone, I'm really sorry about my chopstick use. I can't really help it, so a lot of people like to come after me for that. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna hold this up. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try not to look into the viewfinder either. It's really hard, but I forgot what one I said this one was, but I added cream cheese to it. I love cream cheese in rolls. It's like the best, but look at that beautiful roll. So in here, I heated up soy sauce. And I put wasabi in it. What do you guys like your sushi with? Soy sauce or spicy mayo or eel sauce or all the above? But it's hilarious how people come for me, like, for my chopstick use and my fork use. People do it. They're like, wow, you don't even know how to use a fork. I'm like, oh my goodness. Trouble focusing on the sushi. Okay, well, I hope it focused enough. I actually really like salmon. You can't even see like what my sushi platter looks like exactly, but it is huge. Okay, I'm gonna try one of these rolls. This is so much sushi, you guys. I like counted how many pieces and it's like I have like 30 pieces of sushi. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in that soy sauce. I have more soy sauces over here and an empty side cup, so if I get tired of the wasabi. I'm obsessed with ginger though. I know you guys probably are wondering, usually ginger at places is yellow. This place that I went to has pink ginger. I love their ginger though, it's so fresh. Sorry, I'm taking the roll from this part. Okay, the only thing with cucumber rolls is they fall apart, I feel like pretty easily. It's a Thursday today. And this video probably won't come out till Sunday just because I'm so busy with school right now. I'm done trying. I think I asked for no fish eggs on all these, and I think I heard like the guy like telling people to take the fish eggs off. Because I see a little bit of fish eggs on these. I'm trying to decide what one's my favorite roll. Spicy mayo. I've been getting a lot of requests to do like a what I eat in a week. And I'll do that. I was just about to say, like, after this, like, sushi's pretty healthy, but I'm going to LA and we're going to be going to the beach and stuff. That's where my friend lives. So I'm going to try to eat a little bit smaller portions before I go. So this mukbang will probably be out. You guys will probably see it Sunday. And then I'm going to try to eat a little bit smaller portions before I go there, just so I'm not super bloated. But yeah, a lot of people have been requesting a what I eat in a week, and I honestly don't eat very healthy. I used to have a problem with like portion control, but now I'm just better at like controlling my portions. But like once or twice a week I like to eat like whatever I want, you know? Like I think that's how, like, I don't know. That looks so good. What's your guys' favorite like fish on sushi? Do you guys like sashimi? Or is that how you say it? I probably said it wrong. I say everything wrong, I feel like. But this place that I got the sushi from, oh wait, hold on. Ah! Okay, this roll just looks so pretty. Come on, focus. I don't even know if it focused. I don't even know why I'm trying. And I forgot what I was gonna say now. What I was trying to ask is, do you guys like sashimi? and I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's like just the rice and the fish on top. I personally like, I know that's like real sushi, and I like it, but like I like rolls like this better. Or is sashimi just the fish? Because I know there's just like cut up fish and then there's like rice with the fish on top. So I don't really know. Look at the cream cheese in that. That looks so good. I'm gonna dip it in some soy sauce and a little bit of spicy mayo. I really do like the idea of the cucumber roll and stuff, and I like it. It tastes good, but I just don't like how you can't pick it up super easily. Okay, I just dipped it in spicy mayo. This place puts real crab in their California roll. I think most places just put like imitation crab, which I don't like. You know, some people like imitation crab, but I don't know. Sorry I didn't talk about a lot today. I was really just in the grub mode. Just grubbing. And I love sushi so much. I'm just like very focused. I love this milk. I got it at a market. It's an Asian market near my house and it's so good. I had it in Berkeley once too. But you guys, I really want to do a cheat day video soon. Not soon, but like sometime. Hold on. I'm having one more piece of sushi. Oh, the shrimp fell out of it, really? Come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. You're my last one. Stay together. Keep it together. You're my last one. Keep it together. It's so good. Okay, I guess I'll just finish this last piece. Just because you guys are probably like, come on, it's one more piece. And I'm like, yeah, I know. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of sushi left to Spencer. He's gonna be so excited. He's still sleeping right now, even though it's 12. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to comment down below for my Cane's mukbang. I'm really excited for it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.